Hello, this is David with About Time, and I'd like to show you how to do job restrictions on the clock level. To do a job restriction, we need to go to the clock manager. I go to the administration menu, and I scroll down until I find clocks. This will open up my clock manager. Real quick, if you look at the devices here, you can tell what type of devices you have. This is an Android because it has AD. This is a touch center running like on a Windows 7 netbook. This is a Windows Mobile PDA device or phone. Um, Other information you get here is the name of the clock, whether GPS is enabled for it, whether it can use biometrics. For example, the touch center would use biometrics. I could check that box. That turns biometrics on for the touch center. Whether it's multi-reader or not. The last sync date, the battery level, what version of the application. And then over here, I want to show you this. Also shows you what restrictions you have on the clock. So I know this clock here, I have job restrictions already set. This clock here, I have equipment restrictions set. So let's go ahead and set some job restrictions. We'll go ahead and set for Mike's Droid. So we select the clock. We come down here to the Jobs tab, and we see we have our jobs in there, unrestricted jobs side. So we want to go ahead and select the jobs we want to restrict to. So I'm going to choose that first job, hit the arrow over. I can send a single job over to the restricted jobs side. Maybe I want multiple jobs. I can select, hold the shift key down, select, and grab a group. Move that over. If I hit the double arrow, that'll move them all over. If I need to move a job back, I just do the same process in the reverse. Benefits of doing this is now these are the only jobs that'll show up on that clock, so that the employee or the manager of the clock doesn't have to go through and try to find the jobs. There's a smaller list to look at. That'll be the only These will be the only jobs that the employee will be able to clock into on that clock. That's the jobs restrictions on the clock level. If you have any questions about this, simply give us a call. Our number is 801-465-8181.